I'm just gonna come out and say it right here from the start. This video is literally going to change your life, bro. Like, I promise you, it's gonna be straight to the point, and I'm gonna just not beat around the bush and tell you guys the method that I've been doing for the past couple months that has literally been able to make me buy, or not make me, but that has literally allowed me to buy a Corvette cash with literally just a couple months of work. And it's not even work, it's just being at the right place at the right time. So, as you guys know, meme coins are literally something that is generational to us. It allows you to make a ridiculous amount of money in such a short amount of time. But it's not what all these people are telling you, not all these gurus that are trying to sell you a course, because I do not sell a course and I don't actually sell anything. All this that I'm telling you is free sauce. I'm telling you, it's completely free. Watch all my videos. I don't charge anything. I give you guys all the sauce. So, what I've been doing and what I've realized is that the creators of the coins are the ones that get rich. So, you see all these coins here on Pump.Fun. All the people that are creating these coins are getting rich because they're creating them. When people buy in, they just remove the liquidity and they go off about their day. That's literally all they do. And these people are just being at the right place at the right time. Like, look at this coin right here, morning routine. This has been going absolutely viral in America, and the people that are creating the coins are just getting rich. People are buying in, they're rugging, they're making a lot of money. So that's literally what I'm going to teach you guys how to do. But a lot of you are wondering, well, how much is it going to cost? Where am I going to do it? Because obviously you guys know that you could create a coin on Pump.Fun. But the issue with Pump.Fun is that a lot of people don't take it seriously because it is Pump.Fun at the end of the day, and anyone can create a coin for a couple dollars and anyone could rug. And obviously, you know that the coins you see on here are going to be rugs. And people like me, well, I wouldn't say people like me because I don't really trade meme coins anymore. But when I was doing it, what a lot of the gurus would tell you is go on a different DEX like Radium and look for the coins there that are going to have high market caps. Get in early, set these filters, set a market cap of this, and it was just a bunch of BS. It was just a bunch of stuff that they were selling, and at the end of the day, it didn't really work because the coins were still rugs and everything was just stupid, right? But one thing that is important that everyone is right about, and it's just common sense, is when you go to like Photon right here and you screen on the DEX for Radium, we know that the Radium coins are going to be more legit because the market cap is just way higher and people are actually going to invest. Like this coin right here, I bet you anything, a ton of people are already buying it. Yeah, look, like this ton of people are already buying it. It just goes on, right? So this is probably going to be another rug in a couple minutes. I could literally probably sit here and watch it get rugged, but we're not going to do that. So what is going to happen here and what I'm going to tell you is the site that I've been using is MemeFast, right? And I'll show you guys right now how it looks. But what I really like about this site is that it allows you to actually have a lot of speed, because we know that in this game, speed equals money. If you have speed and you're able to duplicate things that are already going viral, you're going to make a lot of money. And that's pretty much what I've been doing, because this site right here allows you, one, to create your own coin. Two, it's going to be on the Radium DEX, so people are going to take it more seriously. And three, it's going to allow you to literally copy a trending coin instantly. So for this video, I'm going to show you a couple things that I actually do. So there's two ways to actually get your coin a lot of attention, and we're going to do the more organic way for the first one. So the first one is pretty simple. So once you create your coin, right, with that feature that I told you, or with not that feature that I told you, but you kind of have to do a little bit of market research. And in some of my other videos, I show you guys how to do market research that's going to actually like capitalize on your token. So one, you're going to create your token, right? And I'll kind of walk you guys through on how to do it. You're going to create your token. Once your token is already created, let's just say this is your token, you're going to publish it in groups, Telegram groups, Discord groups, but I'm going to show you the Telegram groups right here that you're going to publish it. So you're going to go on Google and you're going to search up top Telegram groups for crypto, whatever it is. One of the first sites it's going to take you is right here. And just to show you, this is what I searched up, crypto Telegram groups. You click that one right there. And these are all groups. Make sure they're groups, not channels. So once you actually join them, you could literally send them your token. And you know, there's a feature on here that allows you to send a screenshot that it 10x, 50x, whatever. Once you send it in there, people are they're gonna want to buy in. It's gonna be that FOMO. They're not gonna want to miss out, and they're gonna buy the token. And once it gets to the right market cap, you're gonna remove the liquidity. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna save the actual creating the token into the next step, because I am not gonna create 2 tokens because it's just gonna be a waste. But if you guys need help on that, watch my previous videos where I actually walk you step by step on how to create the token. And from there, you just use that information, take it. Once you have your token created, you create the liquidity pool. You are then going to just literally follow this step that I said, where you join all these groups right here. And once you join them, make sure the groups, not channels. You just dump your proof and your token and the screenshot or the share feature that MemeFast has that will actually allow people to buy in. Once people buy in, it's going to go up, and then you just right here, you rug and you take liquidity. So that's the first way. First way is very good. I use it a lot, but this is the second way that a lot of people like to go this route, because you really have to do nothing. Because a lot of times these tokens right here, like we said, are going to be trending. They're going to be on the highest. It's the king of the hill, right? So if we go to Pump.Fun, we'll probably find it. So if we go to Pump.Fun right here, we search the token, search, it should be the same. Yeah, king of the hill right here. People are buying it, and yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory from there. People are buying it. So let's see how it's doing right now. Yeah, look at it right there, getting absolutely pumped to the moon. So the thing is, with these, a lot of times these are going to be on Pump.Fun. Well, obviously it is, but it's going to migrate and it's going to go to the Radium DEX. With MemeFast, we don't have to actually put it on Pump.Fun. It's going to go straight on the Radium DEX, and people are going to want to buy in. And the thing with this feature that MemeFast allows us to do, that it's going to actually copy that token. Okay, so it changed now. So people are going to see that it's trending, and they're going to not mistake, but see yours, that you literally copied the trending one, and they're going to want to buy in early. They buy in early, and yeah, you just get buys. You use the attention to get the people that are going to buy. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to send it to groups, nothing like that. And you will literally get results, because, you know, it's what everyone does. All these coins that you see up here that have, like, I don't know, let's just say, for example, with the Trump coin, how many Trump coins did you see? 50, 100. You saw so many. People were literally just copying it verbatim. And if you can't win, if you can't win, you just copy them and you're going to win. That's just the name of the game. In everything, it's copy and paste. If you think about any type of business model, anything out there in the world, it's copy and paste. You find what's working, you copy it, you replicate it, and you capitalize on it. So let me just walk you guys through on this copy feature that MemeFast has. So right here, once you go to the MemeFast website, you could see it's create coin, manage liquidity, copy trending tokens or coins. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this one right here. This is just for the sake of this video. You guys could do whatever you want. You could use whatever coin you like, whichever one you think has the best potential. So let's just scroll down right here, see what they're doing. So right here, Trump one, we're going to go ahead and copy that one, but you could see it's on Pump.Fun. You could see the Twitter, Telegram group, whatever it is. So yeah, let's just copy this one right here. Oh, and you have to connect your Phantom wallet, which I already did. Just going to put my password, unlock. So yeah, it's going to tell you a couple prompts. You're going to proceed. It's going to tell you that, confirm. There we go. So as right now, we did that feature. It's creating our token right here, and it should be up in just a second. Once you see it there, you're going to have the option to either create the liquidity pool, share it, do what you want. But for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and create the liquidity pool real quick. So yeah, it's right there. You could view the transaction. So we're going to create the liquidity pool right here. So that's our token. For the amount, make sure you do at least 900 mil. Or let's do max. 1 bill. But you could do 900 mil. So, yep, right there. So this is going to be our actual, the fees right here. So what I recommend right here is putting 0.3 to at least 1 Solana. So that's what I recommend you guys do. And from there, it's going to give you the prompt to create the liquidity pool. So we're going to go ahead and do that, load up some Solana, and we're going to create the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, you will actually have the option to view your token on Raydium. And it's going to look a little bit like this. This was one of the other projects that I launched and I rugged fairly quickly. But yeah, it's going to just look like this. You're going to actually get the buy-in. So it's going to get pumped a little bit. Once people are actually going to start buying in, it's going to be the exact same thing as everything else. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. Once you want it to the desired outcome that you want, you're able to rug it or remove liquidity. And remember, guys, these are all educational videos. This is all just help. Whatever you guys do with this information is up to you. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and put my Discord and my Telegram in the description. If you guys want to join, have any questions, feel free to ask me. I do give other videos, or I do have other videos on my channel that explain everything a little bit more in depth. But yeah, guys, that's going to be MemeFast. That's going to be the copy feature, and it's going to be pretty easy to start making money fairly quickly. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys have the best.